Packing for a long-term trip can be overwhelming, but with a little planning and the right strategies, you can pack everything you need without overloading your suitcase. Here are some tips and tricks for packing for a long-term trip. Make a list. Start by making a list of everything you think you'll need for your trip. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you don't forget anything important. Make a list of the essential items you'll need for your trip, including your passport, tickets, and travel documents, as well as basic toiletries and medications. Think about the climate and activities you'll be participating in at your destination, and make a list of the clothes, shoes, and gear you'll need accordingly. Make a list of any other items you'll need, such as a camera, phone charger, and adapters for different outlets. Make a list of items you can wash and reuse, such as underwear, socks, and t-shirts. Customize your list based on your personal needs and preferences. Don't forget to include any special items, such as favorite books or snacks. Be selective. Try to be selective about what you bring and only pack the essentials. Remember that you can usually buy items you need at your destination. Decide which items are most important to you and prioritize them when packing. You may not have room for everything, so be prepared to make some tough choices. Make sure to leave some room in your suitcase for souvenirs and any items you may pick up along the way. Roll your clothes. Rolling your clothes when packing for a long-term trip can help you save space in your suitcase and reduce wrinkles. Here's how to roll your clothes when packing. Lay out your clothes on a flat surface. Starting with a shirt or pants, fold the bottom half of the garment up to the waistline. Fold the sleeves in towards the center of the garment. Roll the garment tightly, starting at the top. Repeat this process with the rest of your clothes. By rolling your clothes, you can fit more items in your suitcase and keep them organized. This technique works best with lightweight, wrinkle-resistant fabrics. Use packing cubes. Packing cubes are a useful tool for organizing your suitcase and keeping your clothes and other items separate. They come in various sizes and shapes and can be used to store clothes, shoes, toiletries, and other items. To use packing cubes, simply place your items in the cube, zip it up, and place it in your suitcase. Packing cubes can help you save space in your suitcase by compressing your clothes and keeping them organized. They also make it easier to find specific items in your suitcase and can help protect your clothes from wrinkles and dirt. When choosing packing cubes, look for durable materials, such as nylon or polyester, and opt for cubes with multiple compartments for even more organization. Packing cubes can be especially useful for long-term trips when you need to pack a larger quantity of items. Wear your heaviest items. Wearing your heaviest items, such as your coat and shoes, can help you save space in your suitcase and avoid overpacking. This is especially useful when you're traveling with a carry-on suitcase and need to minimize the amount of items you bring. To make the most of this packing strategy, choose lightweight, wrinkle-resistant clothes that can be easily layered. This will allow you to wear your heaviest items, such as a coat or boots, on the plane and save space in your suitcase for other items. Keep in mind that you may need to remove your coat and shoes during security checks at the airport, so make sure you have a convenient place to store them, such as a carry-on bag or backpack. Wearing your heaviest items can also help save space in your suitcase for souvenirs and any items you may pick up along the way. Remember to be selective about what you bring and only pack the essentials. And don't forget to leave some room in your suitcase for souvenirs and any items you may pick up along the way. With these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to a stress-free and enjoyable long-term trip. Bon voyage!